Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see a stress test of AIDA software on this Dell G515 machine and also Android Studio performance test of big project. So here is the tech specification of this project, of this laptop, and here is a GitHub repository with Firefox Focus browser for Android, and here I described all steps how I made this testing, and you can do the same test on this repository. Send me results with screenshots and I will add it to this public XML and you will see the results. So for this concrete Dell Inspiron G515 with Core i9 processor 8950HK, the results of compiling big project. Big, it's more than 6 gigabytes, and fast build it took 5 minutes 1 second. Fast cold build, the next one took 4 minutes 12 seconds, and another one took 4 minutes 22 seconds. So next you will see the stress test and the results, how CPU is working, how the system is loaded. So everyone in the next videos. On this video I am going to show you a Dell G515 stress test and Android Studio test with i9-8950HK 6-core processor gaming laptop. So as you can see, the configuration of this machine with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now I am running AIDA stress test, CPU stress test for 39 seconds. As you see, a little bit throttling at the beginning, but the temperatures are around 60-70 degrees. The CPU is loaded by 400%, and its speed around 3 gigahertz. Stress test is running already 26 minutes, and you see the temperatures 80 degrees. RAM is 14 out of 16 is full, and it is a little bit warm in that area. Okay, pay attention to the parameters. So it's running for 15 days and handle a CPU frequency 405 and 3 gigahertz, and temperature is around 70 to 80 degrees. Now stress test is during 27 minutes. So here you can see the command assemble debug running in Android Studio. The frequencies are around 4 4.4 gigahertz, and RAM usage real is 10 gigabyte of 16 gigabytes. The CPU temperatures are around 80 degrees, almost no throttling. You can see the parameters of the CPU. So still Android Studio is running, and you can see the system performance. So 4 and 16 gigahertz, 4 and 3.4, and temperatures are still good, normal, but the temperature of laptop is warm. So in central area here is warm, and here also. So this area near the Dell label. The keyboard is so-so. So on this AIDA program, you can see in the bottom diagram the CPU speed and throttling diagram, and the red one is throttling. There is almost no throttling, as you see, so everything works fine. And this is i9 processor, 8th generation 8950HK with base clock speed 2.9 gigahertz. So here I am showing you which battery and power mode it is switched on, and the frequencies of the processor while running Android Studio 4.1.1. Project is Firefox Focus mobile browser for Android Studio. So as you see, CPU is not even okay. So now I am going to show you running Android emulators with Intel Haxum installed on this Dell machine, and as you see, it ran just in a second. Running the second emulator also like 4 seconds, and it's running. On my desktop machine it runs around 30 seconds, I don't know. And on the background you can see the system resources used while doing all of that. So 2 emulators are running Android Studio, and it's used 14 gigabytes of RAM out of 16, and CPU is not even fully loaded.